In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pecha Kucha presentation in Canva. If you're not familiar with the format, a traditional Pecha Kucha presentation uses exactly 20 slides, and each slide advances automatically after 20 seconds. That structure creates a fast, focused rhythm, but it can be difficult to build manually if you're trying to time every slide yourself. The good news is that Canva gives you the tools to set this up cleanly, so you can focus on your visuals and your story instead of worrying about pacing. To begin, open Canva and go to the homepage. From there, click on Presentation to start with a standard widescreen canvas. Once your presentation opens, go down to the page area at the bottom and keep clicking Add Page until you have exactly 20 pages in total. This is the foundation of your Pecha Kucha deck, so take a moment to confirm the page count before moving on. After your 20 slide layout is ready, head to the toolbar near the top of the screen and look for the Edit Timing option, shown with a clock icon. This is where you'll control how long each slide stays on screen. When you click it, a timing panel will open on the left side. In that panel, either type in the time or adjust the slider until it reads exactly 20.0 seconds. This next part is especially important. Under the timing control, click Apply to all pages. That makes sure every single slide follows the same 20-second rule. Without this, your presentation could feel uneven, and that would break the Pecha Kucha format. Applying the same timing across the full deck keeps everything consistent and makes the presentation much easier to rehearse. Once your timing is set, you can add transitions so the slides move smoothly from one to the next. Go back down to the page row at the bottom, hover between the first and second slide, and click Add Transition. A menu will appear with different transition styles. Choose a clean option, like dissolve or match and move, depending on the tone you want. Then click Apply to all pages so the full presentation has a unified flow. Consistent transitions usually look more polished and help your audience stay focused on the content. Finally, preview everything before exporting. Click Present at the top to watch the presentation play through and make sure the pacing feels right. Also, check that your titles are clear and not too long so your slides remain visually balanced. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 video. This is the best option if you want the timing to stay built into the final file. Then click Download to save your finished presentation. That's it. You now have a properly timed Pecha Kucha presentation in Canva, ready to present or share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.